that lion, it's gonna catch the gorilla. And what is that thing in the sky?
Oh God, it's gaining on the gorilla. The poor thing is hurt.
The gorilla is missing in the Amazon jungle. Please help me. My friend, the gorilla is missing in the Amazon jungle. Please help me.
Target gorilla. Signal lost. Possible capture confirmed.
Prepare rescue unit. We move immediately.
Ground team, this is Viper 1. We have a weak signal, Quadrant Charlie. Move in now. We have a visual on rope marks, grid reference Delta 4. Copy. Ground team, move with extreme caution. Approach suspected tribal zone. Sierra 1, move to intercept grid reference Tuba 5er. Satellite confirms activity.
Roger that. We've got rope marks here. Looks like they dragged it this way.
Look here, fresh tracks.
Sierra 1, confirm visual. We are moving in. Command, we found something. The prints are massive. Requesting immediate support.
Stay alert. Surround the area from all sides. Do not let anyone escape.
¡Ataquen! ¡Avancen!
Estamos bajo fuego. ¡Cúbranse!
¡Fuego de cobertura! ¡Muévanse!
Easy now. Lift together. Watch his leg.
He's inside. Close the ramp.
Contact
front. Lion.
Crocodile on the left! Get back!
Suppressive fire. Cover the convoy.
Hold the perimeter! Heavy fire on the lion! Flashbang out! Move, move, move! Go!
Easy now. Lift on 3. Watch the airway. He's breathing heavy. Get him inside now. Control, this is Alpha Team. We've located and secured an abandoned, damaged train deep inside the jungle.
Alpha Team, RUST&REVIVAL workshop here. Copy your message.
You've made a remarkable recovery. Your condition is now stable, and all vital signs are normal. There is no longer any risk.
Look, the gorilla is fully recovered.
And the train is completely new and ready.
This is amazing. Everything looks restored.
The gorilla is riding the train.
It's finally leaving. Everything is complete.
This is a historic moment.
The structural integrity around the cut is surprisingly stable. We can begin the revival sequence immediately.
The doors are open.
We can finally leave. A new start for everyone.
Look at him, he's perfect.
I never thought I'd see the sun again.
All aboard, everyone.